Hi kids, how you doing today? I'm gonna show you how to make a boat. All you need is plain paper, fold it in half like this, and then fold this side into a triangle, the other side as well. Going to make it even as much as you can, and then fold this side up like this. It's kind of looking like a hat in a way, and the other side as well. And then do this. Try to make it as neat as you can. If you made a mistake, that's fine, that's okay too. And then you have like a diamond shape like that, and then you take the edge and you fold it back up like that again into a triangle, and then you fold the other side as well. It's up to you if you want to keep going, or you can stop if you want it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna keep going one more time. Also, you see how you fold it like that. You do this, and then you fold it again into another triangle. See, it's getting smaller. And then you do the other side as well. And now you take these two sides here and you pull them apart like that. And there you go. You have your boat. And you can try it. Ask mom and dad first if you can try it in a bowl or something, if it can float. Okay? Let me know. Have a good day. Bye.